Hey guys, we received this Juova Store men's work coat, wash duck fleece lined, waterproof coat for test and try. So it's a workwear fit with a relaxed winter hooded active jacket. So let me just open it. So this is the vacuum packed, nicely packed to save space. So let me just open and get its size and everything. So this is really like a nice weighted jacket, and this have a nice cushion with the fabric coat, inner pockets, and with the elastic and the the fleece line, so this give more warm. And with this the images in the side pocket, it's really nice, so the zipper is easily moving, a nice quality, and all the fleece lined inside, so a warm feeling. Inside pocket for keep your mobile and everything, so this inside pockets are really helpful to put in your stuff. And then the side pocket with the zipper thing so that you can put it securely. So a nice jacket and the design that have like everything with the side pocket, inside pocket, zipper pockets, and the nice zip pocket on the fabric side, and then with the hand cushion with the elastic thing. So after wearing, you can see like it feels really nice, and the fits really well with the hooded, uh, the cap. This is really nice thing to have, and then the feel is also good with the hand pocket with the side, and then the zipper pocket on the top, and then this as a cap as well. So a nice jacket.